So I say thank you for the music that the nature provide us. Here comes the snow, flowers. Here comes the critters. Oh, yes. Thanks to the technology and finding solutions to what nature throws at us, I'm able to drive this road. Thank you to that driver who's woken up so early in the morning, going up and down, cleaning up the road for you and I to get up and go to work in the convenience of a car that's warmed and climatically controlled to your body, to your liking, I should say. This convenience has caused a tremendous suffering to our earth because we're constantly looking to fix the exterior instead of fixing the interior. By doing the exterior, we have pretty much fixed everything to do with life and how we would like it. Yet the greed, the identity, the selfish harm that is causing the planet to suffer immensely is one that we can avoid by simply attending to one situation, and that is this. Everyone has got an idea, an opinion, and a meaning. But if you just look around here, this existence does not have a meaning. It is absolutely so fantastic. It is so fantastic that it cannot be locked into a meaning of any kind. There is no meaning. Why would you come up with a meaning for everything you see, touch, feel, hear, and taste? Why can't you just appreciate the very moment? Because the yo-yoing of this breath, the life and death, is in the hands of this existence, this marvelous and incredible existence, which is here for us all and providing us with incredible feed of life. And what is so incredibly important is that we are woken up to the realization that this isn't going to last forever. This will melt away as the sun rises. At the same time, the seasons change. Who knows how long this entire way of life is going to last like this? We simply do not know. Our knowledge is minuscule, a dust, a speck. Even that, we don't know if it's true in relationship to this existence and to this nature. So folks, what we know we should act upon, and that is, every one of us has a responsibility to contribute something back to this earth and leave something a little bit better than how you found it. All I can say, I'm doing what I can do with words, also by actions, by getting involved with myself wherever it's necessary. I do what is necessary, and I'm not driven by greed, selfish needs. I'm just being driven by the energies and life of this planet Earth.